Hello, in this video we're gonna check if you can use your Sennheiser Momentum wireless headphones when they are charging. So here I have the headphones, they are powered on. Now let's try to enter pairing mode by pressing on this button right here. So the pairing mode works fine. Now let's try to connect them. Here is Momentum 3. So they connect fine. Now let's check if music works. As you can hear, music actually plays, and that means you can use this device when it's charging. Here's the proof that they are actually charging. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.